Men over 60, what you're about to hear could literally change your health and your life. For years, researchers and urologists have been warning about something few men talk about openly: 10 everyday habits that quietly damage your prostate long before serious symptoms appear. Think about it for a moment. Waking up several times at night, feeling that constant urge to urinate, or struggling to start or stop the flow. These aren't just random annoyances, they're early warning signs that your prostate is under pressure. And it's not just about getting older. Studies show that what you eat, how you move, how you handle stress, and even how you hydrate can dramatically impact prostate health, for better or worse. Across countless case studies, the difference between men who suffer and those who live comfortably into their 70s and 80s often comes down to simple, consistent daily habits. In this video, you'll discover not only the 10 hidden habits that harm your prostate, but also how to reverse the damage naturally, starting today. Because even one small change, done consistently, can improve circulation, reduce inflammation, and bring back comfort and confidence in just a few weeks. Habit 10. Not drinking enough water. Many older men think reducing water intake at night will help them sleep through the night. The truth? Dehydration backfires. Concentrated urine becomes acidic, irritating the bladder and prostate. Picture your bladder like a balloon, and your prostate sitting right underneath. When urine is concentrated, the bladder struggles, creating pressure and inflammation in the prostate. Many medications taken after 60 can worsen dehydration, making things even more dangerous. The fix: drink water in small sips throughout the day. Even if you're not thirsty, your urine should be clear or light yellow. This simple habit prevents silent damage and keeps your prostate healthy. Habit 9. Sitting too long. We all love our armchairs after 60, but sitting for hours reduces blood flow in the pelvic area, creating pressure and inflammation in the prostate. Think about it. Binge watching TV, reading, or working at a desk for hours weakens pelvic muscles, leaving leftover urine in the bladder, which irritates the prostate even more. The solution: stand up every 30 minutes, walk 2 to 5 minutes, even just to the kitchen. Small movements equals better blood flow, plus relieved pressure. Habit 8. Too much caffeine. Coffee is a ritual, but excess caffeine is a diuretic. It makes you urinate more, overloading the bladder and contracting bladder muscles, causing urgency, leaks, and prostate irritation. Frequent nighttime trips to the bathroom? Your coffee intake might be the culprit. The fix: 1 cup in the morning is fine. Replace the second or third with decaf or herbal tea. Small adjustments make a big difference in comfort. Habit 7. Overly spicy and processed foods. Flavor is amazing, but too much black pepper, hot sauce, or processed foods causes silent inflammation. Preservatives, bad fats, and excess sodium disrupt hormones and testosterone, which directly affects prostate health. Switch to anti-inflammatory foods: vegetables, fruits, fish, nuts. A balanced diet doesn't have to be boring, but makes a huge difference for your prostate. Habit 6. Holding in urine. We've all done it, holding in urine because we're busy or far from a bathroom. Regularly doing this stretches the bladder, pressing on the prostate and causing irritation, swelling, and inflammation. Older men are particularly vulnerable because pelvic and bladder muscles weaken with age. Stagnant urine creates perfect conditions for bacteria, leading to infections and worsening prostate enlargement. Fix: listen to your body. Don't delay bathroom trips. Going promptly is one of your most effective defenses. Habit 5. Smoking or being around smokers. Cigarettes are one of the worst enemies of your prostate. Even if you don't smoke, regular exposure to secondhand smoke is harmful. Here's why. Tobacco chemicals reduce blood flow, increase inflammation, and damage delicate prostate tissue. Smoking also increases oxidative stress, weakening your body's ability to repair itself. Over time, this leads to prostate enlargement and a higher risk of cancer. The good news? Quitting or avoiding smoke brings almost immediate benefits. Within weeks, circulation improves, inflammation drops, and your prostate starts to recover. Even if you quit years ago, avoiding passive smoke is essential. Question for you. Have you ever noticed a difference in urinary comfort when avoiding smoke? Type yes or no in the comments. Your experience might help someone else take action. Habit 4. Avoiding doctor visits. Many men only see a doctor when something goes seriously wrong, but that's extremely risky after 60. Prostate enlargement often happens silently, with few obvious symptoms at first. Regular checkups can catch problems early before they escalate. Simple exams like the digital rectal exam and PSA test are quick, non-invasive, and can save your life. Skipping appointments allows small problems to escalate: urinary retention, infections, or more serious complications. Early detection often means lifestyle changes alone can prevent medications or surgery. Some men feel embarrassed discussing urinary issues. I get it. But the sooner you speak up, the more natural, simple, and effective the solutions can be. Type doctor checkup if you promise yourself to book an appointment this month. It's a small step with big prostate benefits. Habit 3. Eating too much red meat. Red meat, bacon, sausages, steak, is delicious, but eating it daily can silently enlarge your prostate. Studies show that processed meats and saturated fats trigger inflammation, not only in your body, but specifically in the prostate. Chemicals in processed meats disrupt hormones and increase oxidative stress, which accelerates prostate growth. Older adults also digest red meat more slowly. This slows metabolism and increases pelvic pressure, adding another layer of strain on your prostate. Fix: reduce red meat to once or twice a week. Substitute with lean proteins like fish, chicken, or plant-based options. Add fiber-rich foods like beans or lentils to support digestion and prostate health. Question for you. Which protein will you try replacing your red meat with first? Comment below. Let's inspire each other to healthier choices. Habit 2. Carrying excess belly fat. This isn't just cosmetic. Abdominal fat is a silent enemy of your prostate. Excess belly fat produces inflammatory chemicals that circulate throughout your body, irritating the prostate and contributing to growth. Men with larger waistlines often experience frequent nighttime urination, poor urine flow, and even erectile issues. Extra weight also disrupts hormone balance, especially testosterone and estrogen, both critical for prostate health. Solution: slow, steady lifestyle changes. Short walks, smaller portions, cutting sugar, and more fiber-rich foods can melt belly fat, relieve bladder pressure, and reduce prostate irritation. Even losing a few kilos can dramatically improve urinary symptoms and energy levels. Type the number of minutes you'll commit to walking this week in the comments. Even small steps make a difference. Habit 1. Not managing chronic stress. This is the most dangerous habit of all, yet most men completely ignore it. Chronic stress is a silent inflamer of the prostate. When your body is under constant tension, worry, or anxiety, it releases cortisol and other stress hormones. Over time, these cause inflammation, hormonal imbalance, and tighten pelvic muscles, directly affecting your prostate. Stress also reduces immune function, making it harder to fight inflammation or infection. That's why men under chronic stress often experience more frequent urination, urgency, and swelling. Fix: stress can be managed effectively. Habits like deep breathing, light exercise, stretching, 10 minutes of silence, laughter, social connection, and quality sleep act as natural medicine for your prostate. Even small adjustments can stop prostate growth naturally and improve overall well-being. Which stress relief habit will you try first? Comment below. Breathing, exercise, sleep, or laughter. Let's build a stress-free community together. Now that you know all 10 habits, here's the most important question. What will you do today to protect your prostate? The difference between men who suffer and those who live comfortably into their 70s and 80s lies in small, consistent changes. Drink water, move regularly, moderate caffeine, reduce red meat, manage stress, and visit your doctor. Type in the comments which one habit you'll start changing this week. Will it be walking more, cutting back on red meat, or scheduling that checkup? Your comment might inspire someone else to take action. Remember, your prostate won't heal overnight, but with the right habits and consistency, your body can reverse damage naturally and give you years of comfort and energy. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. We'll keep sharing tips to help you stay healthy and active. You are not alone. Take control today, and your prostate will thank you for it.